What if modern DNA could reveal the hidden origins of the people mentioned in ancient biblical texts? What if the tribes and families described thousands of years ago still live within our genetic code today? Long before modern nations existed, a region known as the Levant served as a crossroads of civilizations. This land, stretching across today's Israel, Lebanon, Syria, Jordan, and Palestine, was one of the earliest centers of human settlement and culture. Within this region lies the Fertile Crescent, often called the cradle of civilization. Thousands of years ago, early agricultural communities flourished here, giving rise to some of the earliest recorded societies. During the Bronze Age, powerful city-states emerged across the Levant. These cities formed complex societies whose histories may intersect with the genealogies preserved in ancient biblical texts. Today, scientists use advanced genetic analysis to trace human ancestry thousands of years into the past. By studying ancient DNA recovered from archaeological remains, researchers can reconstruct the genetic history of early populations. One of the most fascinating discoveries in modern genetics is the existence of so-called ghost populations. These are ancient groups whose genetic signatures survived in modern DNA, even though their historical records disappeared long ago. Recent paleogenomic research continues to uncover new clues about the complex ancestry of the ancient Near East. Each discovery helps historians and scientists better understand the deep genetic connections between past and present. The story of the ancient world is not completely lost. Hidden within our DNA may lie echoes of civilizations, tribes, and families that shaped human history thousands of years ago. If you found this journey into ancient history fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore more mysteries of the past. Human history is not only written in books and monuments. It is also preserved within our DNA. Scientists track ancient migrations by studying genetic markers, known as Y-DNA and mitochondrial DNA, which pass from one generation to the next. Over thousands of years, these genetic markers began spreading beyond small tribal communities. From early settlements in the Near East, populations gradually expanded across the Mediterranean coast and deep into Mesopotamia. Major historical events also played a role in shaping these genetic patterns. Population movements during the Babylonian exile and later cultural shifts during the Hellenistic era may have caused both genetic dispersal and population bottlenecks. Climate conditions and ancient trade networks further influenced how populations moved and settled. Some genetic lineages spread widely along trade routes, while others remained concentrated in isolated regions for thousands of years. By combining genetics, archaeology, and historical research, scientists continue to uncover the hidden journeys of ancient populations, revealing how human migrations shaped the genetic landscape of the world we live in today. Empires rise and fall, borders change, and civilizations transform. Yet within the human genome, traces of ancient populations can survive for thousands of years. Modern high-resolution genomic research reveals that certain genetic markers have endured through centuries of major historical events, including the Roman, Byzantine, and later Islamic periods. In some remote or culturally isolated communities, scientists have discovered remarkable genetic continuity. These populations act as living archives, preserving genetic patterns that connect directly to ancient ancestral groups of the Levant. Cultural traditions also played an important role in preserving these ancient genetic signatures. Practices such as marrying within close communities and maintaining strong cultural identity helped certain lineages remain stable across generations. Together, genetics, archaeology, and history reveal an extraordinary truth. Even after centuries of migrations, conquests, and cultural change, fragments of the ancient world still live on within the DNA of modern populations. The story of ancient civilizations did not end in the past. Fragments of their genetic legacy may still be scattered across the modern world. Using large-scale genomic datasets, researchers are beginning to trace where ancient Levantan genetic signatures appear. In today's populations across Europe, Africa, and the Americas, genetic analysis allows scientists to estimate how much ancestral DNA from ancient populations remains in various modern communities. These traces reveal how the movements of early tribes and settlements shaped the genetic diversity we see today. One of the most fascinating discoveries is that some individuals, with no known historical connection to the Levant, still carry genetic markers linked to ancient Bronze Age settlers. These discoveries remind us that human history is deeply interconnected. across continents and cultures. Fragments of ancient lineages continue to live on within the DNA of modern populations. The future of ancestral identity. The synthesis of genealogy and genomics is profoundly reshaping our understanding of human history and individual identity in the digital age. This convergence allows us to trace our personal code back to specific ancient tribes, fostering a profound sense of connection. However, it also brings forth significant ethical implications that demand careful consideration. Ultimately, the genetic blueprint is not merely a map of the past. It is a living document, continuously evolving within our own cells, reflecting a dynamic and ongoing human story. If you found this journey into ancient history fascinating, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. For more deep explorations into history, science, and the hidden stories of our world. Also, share your thoughts in the comments. Do you think modern DNA can truly reveal the secrets of ancient civilizations? And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next discovery.